Damn, I wish I had a different hair, because this look is cute. Yeah, welcome to my natural hair. I call it confused curls. I guess frizzy and dry could describe it as well. I am taking a break from styling tools, like heat styling tools, because I plan on bleaching my hair at home by myself. I'm gonna retouch the roots for the, you know, funky color sections, and it's recommended to give your hair a break. I washed my hair last night and I didn't do anything with it. Anyway, nobody cares about my hair. Hi, how are you today? Blue, pink, and purple eyeshadows are making a comeback. I see these shades a lot in recent makeup launches. Those shades and gorgeous makeup looks on Instagram got me inspired, and I decided to finally gather the tits and try using my Pat McGrath Eyedols Lapis Luxury eyeshadow and share what I'll come up with in today's video.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just keep...
Yeah, you can tell by my face that I'm not that excited. It's just that this eyeshadow scares me. Because actually, this is the second time I'm attempting to try this makeup look, like the idea that I have for this video. My first attempt did not go well. Play the clip, editing Luciana. Yeah, if you have hooded eyes, remember that you have hooded eyes before you drag the eyeliner into the middle of your eyes. Oh! Okay, let's try to fix this. I don't even know how to fix that. Like, how do you fix this? This was going so well. It's stressing me out. I guess I'm just gonna have to go with it. We're here, let's just go for graphic, I guess. Now, for someone who wanted to start small, you found your tits. I don't know how I feel about it, but let's try to replicate that on the other side. Stop. The idea was nice, but no. Anyway, I hope we'll both have a good time this time. Maybe it will give you some inspiration to try blue eyeshadows, especially if you have brown eyes like I do, because you know blue complements brown. Or maybe I'll make you laugh with my still developing makeup skills. We'll see. Also, I feel like this video is going to be kind of like practice for me to feel more comfortable playing with colors, because I just ordered the Little Cosmetics Night Flower eyeshadow palette as a gift to myself for, you know, International Women's Day. And I'm so excited to play with all those beautiful shades. So I need to start practicing now with what I already have. So here's what I have in mind as inspiration. Think clear night skies, pink flowers, and the expectations of warmer days. I plan on using my Lapis Luxury eyeshadow from Pat McGrath as eyeliner, and this bronzer over here as Warmer Days inspo, and this pink blush as well. Pink flowers. Now, as I said previously, I have attempted this eye look before, and there were a few things that I've learned that I definitely don't want to repeat again today. Am I white enough for this? Well, kinda. One, if you're gonna use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner, you have to use Duraline or any other mixing liquid, or maybe spray the shit out of the brush with the setting spray like Fix Plus, because you need it to be like a cream in order to avoid fallout, because this eyeshadow was Fallout City. And of course, to increase the staying power. And the second thing I've learned is that if you want to use pink eyeshadow close to the inner corner of your eyes, do not apply it on the lower inner corner. Like, keep it only on this section over here, because otherwise it just looks like you have pink eye instead of the cute pop of color you had in mind, you know? Yeah, I looked weird. But I'm glad I have the chance to try it again and do it better this time, hopefully. I think I'm gonna go with Soft Oak today as an eyeshadow primer. I feel like I'm very yellow tone today. This is a trick I saw from the channel Alexandra Anel, that she saw it from Wayne Goss channel, which was to apply an eyeshadow primer like that matches your skin tone somewhat on the under eye area to help the concealer not crease, and it works really well. So I'm gonna use my Soft Oak all over. Way too yellow, but it's okay, we're gonna fix this. You know, I started using Painterly Pot as an eyeshadow primer. Like, I always knew this product as eyeshadow primer only, and only recently, when I was trying to find an alternative that would maybe be cheaper, I found out that this is actually a cream eyeshadow, and I'm like, what? I had no idea. Now look at that under eye. Beautiful, if it wasn't for the yellow. Anyway, I'm not gonna set also my face with powder yet, because then in case I do have a mess under my eye, I can just clean and apply the foundation again. So yeah, let's leave the concealer for last. So because the eyeshadow primer is so yellow on me, I'm gonna use lightly pink eyeshadow to set my lid before moving on. Now, I'm not gonna set the under eye like I said, because I plan on using concealer after, and the concealer should fix this yellow situation here. Okay, that looks a little bit better. All right, so let's get started. Next week is a Purim celebration. You know, you buy like costumes for the kids. It's like kind of like Halloween here in Israel. Everybody dresses up and you know, it's a fun holiday for the kids. So a friend of mine was like, oh, what are you gonna dress up as? You know, like, what is your costume? And I'm like, I didn't know the parents like should be dressing up as well. Don't have time or patience for it. Next, let's try this pink. Now, when I tried the first time using this blush, I mean, it's a blush, so it's not like highly pigmented, you know, because it's not meant to put a pink dot on your cheeks. But like if you pack enough on the brush, it will give you some color. So I want to try doing the same right now. And I'm gonna leave the Fix Plus only like for, yeah, the blue eyeshadow. Let's see. That looks okay. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner already. I'm gonna use this shade over here. Wait, do you want me to use things from the same palette? Does that make it easier? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want me to stop mixing things from a bunch of different products and try to use like one product as much as I can. Let me know. Just a little bit of light. Okay, I feel weird without my eyebrows, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna set them after with the eyebrow gel. I feel like I'm finding like other things to do like as an excuse like not to face the eyeshadow. Yeah, but it's time. Let's do this winged eyeliner. Fix Plus. I think that was the wrong angle. Okay, doesn't look bad. Let's see if we can replicate it on the other side. Holy shit, I think I did it. I think it's alright. I'm gonna stop here, and I do have a little eyeshadow on my nose. Shit, I think I have one here. Ah! Okay. I like that. This is cute. We got a pointy nose. Gotta love contouring. All right, so now let's set. Mattified I am. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same blush as I used on my eyelids, because, you know, just makes sense. All right, so now I'm gonna use this brown eye pencil just to connect the lash line. Oh no, I'm starting to transfer. Damn it. I should have used Duraline next time. Gonna put just a little bit also on the lower waterline and blend. Apply that bronzer on the lower lash line. Okay, lashes. Please don't fuck it up. Please don't fuck it up. This is the wrong mascara for the lower lash, and yet you proceed to use it. These are so heavy. What's happening here? They're so heavy I can get them to glue. What are you? And you're also so big. I don't know that I like you. I don't think I do. Definitely crooked and too big, because now you can see the blue eyeliner because they're huge. Yeah, I don't have any more are the wispies. Yeah, I'm waiting for my iHerb order. Anyway, still cute, right? Lips. Let's highlight these cheekbones and we're done. Yeah, I wish I had a better hair because this looks pretty. Alright, I'm done with the look. I'm really digging this, the mix of colors, right? Like the warm bronze tone with the pink and the eyeliner. But I wish I had a different eyelash because this is definitely too big and it's covering the eyeliner, so you can't really see. Living and learning. As you all know, if you've been following my channel, I am not a professional in makeup. I'm just a makeup enthusiast and I'm learning new things, okay? And I just like to share everything that I learned here on this channel. So today is one of those days that you're gonna see me making a few mistakes, but you know, I still hope this video has given you some inspiration or at least made you laugh. If it did, then that means a lot to me. So make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy this kind of content that I do here on my channel. I hope you have a lovely week ahead of you, and now you can click on this video over here to keep watching more of me. Yeah, the lashes are crooked.
Bye, love you.